Hey everyone, Beth here from Pearl Treasure Designs. Just showing you a thrift shop haul with what Charlene from Crafty Art Shack and myself from Pearl Treasure Designs was able to find this week. So why don't you take a few minutes and walk through some of the stores that we visited today.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Hi Charlene.
Okay. Avonlea? What is it called?
Avonlea.
Avonlea.
I'm liking it.
And I'm here with Beth. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Here we go.
I think that on the back is like the artist gallery name on the back too. Yeah, the gallery thing obviously. Years ago. Yep. Yeah.
I think I'm in heaven. Y'all, this mall is amazing. Yes, we did. Wow. Y'all, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Oh my lord. Oh y'all. The boxes and just, oh, the stuff I love. The old rulers. The driftwood lamp. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm just getting involved in this, man. So cool. An old license plate. Paintings to clothes, set up like little offices and gift shops. Y'all, this is just amazing. Very cool. We're going. Here we go. Fantastic. Here we go. Y'all, just look at this. I could literally spend the whole day here, or a week, and probably not see everything. This is amazing. It is amazing. It's clean. It's air conditioned, just like Charlene said. Yeah. And yeah, for your information, I'm right next to Charlene. Thanks. I'm right next to Beth. And we're having a blast. We're in our happy place. I love this chair. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. Rolling pins and rolling pins and more rolling pins. Yes. Yeah, these are awesome. You got rolling pins over there too? You do? Yes, ma'am. I'm getting them thick of it. Charlene. Y'all think I'm just videotaping. I'm shopping too. I'm shopping too. We can't help ourselves, y'all. We just can't help ourselves. And books. Lord, what we can do with books. Well, you'll find some that are more modern than others. It's all good.
See, you get great ideas from this stuff. Oh my gosh, these red plates right there. Oh my goodness, and they got little birdies on them. Look at this banner right here.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love that.
That's what they did with the star. It's just a door around the bottom.
Okay, I love the idea of that storage with the shelf and the ladders.
Yes.
Love that.
It's gotta have two ladders just alike. Yep. And you run boards across them. That is a great idea.
That's amazing.
Like I said, this one of my favorite things. If you need ideas for napkins, look at this.
Oh, yes.
Look at this for napkins.
Stuff for your man cave. All right. Oh, the vibrant colors of the red and the green. Love it. Love it.
Big sale. Yeah, big sale on this big today. What's the big sale? See anything you're interested in?
I see big sale.
That's all I see.
I guess the prices have been marked down in red.
I guess so. So let me get out here. That was my favorite piece that I did over there. They have a sale today too.
Resin. And you get little nooks like this and make the best of what you have.
If you want to see the other side of this, go to her channel, Girl Treasure Design. She's going to put her name
Yes.
of her side. And look, she's got some really neat stuff in there. Look, that's just a taste.
Just a taste.
That's my side that I'm filming.
Yes. So I get one side and Charlene gets the other. So go to Crafty Art Shack and you will get to see the other side of this amazing mall.
Look at
Isn't this incredible?
That is
This
amazing.
is
I love the
Charlene's favorite.
Yes. Yes. I love.
So here's a sneak peek.
I love how we hang this stuff in here. I love how it's how you see it.
Paintings.
This is one of my favorite ones because of that little feature right there. I love the little table. I love that.
Little canes and yardsticks. Neolithic sculptures. Y'all, this is amazing. There's so much to see.
They sold a lot of stuff out of this. They need to put some more stuff in.
And then we have some old linens and just amazing, amazing stuff. Lanterns. Y'all, this is just so neat. A tea set. Y'all have to just come on down to Jacksonville. Avonlea Mall is where it's at. We have access to a cafe and restrooms, air conditioning. It is amazing. Love this piece. Love this piece. Yeah, it's amazing. Oh yes, a whole day. Yeah, look at this glassware. Amazing pieces. Wow. There's so much in one small space, but y'all, it is easily accessible. Little tchotchkes, and oh my goodness, we could just go crazy in here. Wow, y'all. Incredible. There's so much to see. It's a sight to behold. And the clock's going off. Charlene, did you see the duck door holder? And the chickens on the table. Oh my goodness. Wow. Y'all, this is just amazing. Fabulous. Y'all, we are having so much fun. Yeah, Charlene has quite the side to be videotaping. There's so much to see. We probably need 4 of us to get everything in. Wow. Y'all, this is amazing. Just imagine. Yeah, your water pitchers. Isn't this gorgeous? Y'all, we just have so much to go through, and this is not even half the building. Not even half. Okay, my childhood is coming back to me, and I'm going to show you what it reminds me of. Y'all, look up there. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay. Didn't y'all have one of those when you were a kid? My goodness. Thank you. Alright, we're going to make our way over this side. Y'all, this is just an amazing place. You see how far it goes down there? Look. Way down there. And that's not even the end of it. I love this place. It's clean. So clean. And I'm going to turn around here so you can see a picture of the cafe. You can order food, sit and eat. The restaurants are whimsical. They're so cute. And there's just so much for you to see and enjoy. And oh my gosh, you get ideas and more ideas. And I'm going to pick something up here. I'm going to go look for this. And this is a huge doorstop. My grandparents had one of these, and I haven't seen one in maybe 30 years. I love it. Absolutely love it. Old fishing reels. So guys, you got some stuff here too. It's not just for the gals. And this is a revolving display. So you get to sit here and watch. How does it go? I don't know where the buttons are. Oh, up here. Isn't this cool? Very cool. Y'all, I'm playing. Okay, y'all, that gives you an idea. I want to look around some more. So long for now.
Listen, if you like the content in this video, give us a comment about what you do like. And you know what? If you need information on how to get here, hit us up on our channel, and we'll be sure to hook you up with everything you need to know about the Avonlea Antique Mall.
Okay, you guys, we're going to stop the video here.
Yeah, we are. We're here.
We are heading
We're going into Goodwill. And Charlene with Crafty Art Shack. Here we go.
Let's see what we can find.
Let's find some good treasures today. Y'all, Charlene and I had the best time thrifting in our local thrift stores. I just cannot tell you how much fun we have. So go ahead, look in your own community and see what you can find for your thrift flips. Thanks for watching, everyone. Again, this is Beth with Pearl Treasure Designs. For spiritual support, please go to Pastor Beth Kelly at Beth Kelly Podcast on YouTube, or you can contact me at pastorbethkelly@gmail.com. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you really enjoyed this content. We look forward to having more videos with you.